Here I have a church door with 3 locks for added security. If used correctly, pick guns are very effective, but they are not magic. They require very special contrasting tension skills. As well, they are very loud and typically illegal without a permit. Pick guns use the same technique as bump keys. By slamming into the bottom pins, they create a gap between the bottom and top set of pins. If the shear line is within this gap, the plug will turn and the lock will open. Oversetting can occur often with pick guns, so you must remove the gun, reset some of the tension, and begin again. Some locks are easier to pick the wrong way, but this does not open the door, so a plug spinner must be used. As an example, I've picked these 3 locks the wrong way. The door is still locked, so I will use the plug spinner to fix it. The plug spinner uses a spring to spin the lock faster than the pins can fall back into their slot. Now that the plug's been spun the right way, the lock is open, much like how it would have been if it were picked the right way in the first place.
I will show you that one more time, up close.